and surfboards can be rented in the area. You can also rent a chair and umbrella to escape the heat as you unwind on the sand. Number 2 is Isla Verde Beach, Carolina. White sands, beautifully clear water, and excellent water sports make this beach one of the most popular in Puerto Rico. The shoreline is several miles long, so finding an ideal spot is easy, and you can surf some of the best waves in the San Juan area. Snorkeling is also a popular activity at Isla Verde, with stunning coral reefs to be found just offshore. Discover tropical fish and rare corals as you dive in the clear water. The metro area is a bustling city, yet when you arrive to the beaches of Isla Verde, it feels quite laid back and relaxed, with plenty of sand for everyone to unwind on. And at number 1 is Flamenco Beach, Culebra, Puerto Rico. Culebra is one of the islands of Puerto Rico, and you need to take a flight or ferry ride from the main island to get there. But this beach is well worth the trip. Flamenco Beach has beautiful scenery, pristine water, and soft golden sands.
Pristine, pristine, pristine.